Hey guys, Jay here. I just changed the oil on my 1999 Pontiac Firehawk with an LS1 V8 engine, and I just wanted to show you a quick video on how to reset the oil change light on the inside of the car. Stand by. There's two methods I found that seem to work. We're gonna do one, and we're just gonna talk through the other one. All right, gang. We're inside the Firehawk. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick the key in, turn the key forward to accessories. We got all the dummy lights lighting up, and we have the oil change light on right over there. All right, so the method that I've probably used before 1,000 times is you got the trip reset button over here. You press it and hold it for 12 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that. And there it goes. Goes away just like that. All right, the second method that we have is we turn the car off, turn the car back to accessory here. Now, if that oil light was on, one of the other methods that I've seen is you press the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then you come back and it would reset it. So those are the two methods I found. I'm sure it will work for any LS powered F-body, and I'm sure that the LT1 cars, if they had the same gauge setup, I'm sure that it would work the same way. Anyways, thanks a lot, guys. See you later.